was my clothes. How far back was it? Yeah, all my important There's my visor! It's fully intact! Come on, give it to me. Oh, it's changing. Cha-ching. W.
You can't park those there. It's not a parking spot.
I'm sorry, I'm deaf.
It's not a parking spot. You can't park here. You have to park in the parking lot.
Why? It's not anyone's way.
It's not a parking lot. It's not for motor vehicles.
I get you, but like it's so perfect and it's in the shade.
It's how it is.
Oh sh. You see what happened? Can't even get over. This way, baby, no! It sucks. That exit sucks too. Be safe, go slower than that. Oh, I hit my mirror. Is that cute? You want it? Oh, the girl just fell. I can't tell. You okay? Are you? Oh, for real? You're gonna cut me off and then speed like we're racing? Alright, bet. My boy don't even know how little a chance he got. He's following me. Oh, the f are you doing? Are you still behind me? Where are you at? Is the OG paint job right here, bro. And the OG car. This is just OG. That's crazy. Jesus Christ. This is clean right here. This is what I'm talking about. They're just gonna be jealous when I pop the hood on it. W. Alright, you two, we're about to take out the Duke. I'll be back in a minute. Alright. God! Jeez! Oh my god, I'm getting shot! Bro, you can feel it way back here, bro. That one looks good. A lot of bread. What up, YouTube? Alright, we're headed back home and then we're going about an hour ride from your house. You good? Do I look cool? I had never seen an open truck on the freeway. That's crazy. Yo, there's an airplane being towed by a minivan right now on the freeway. I'm not even messing with you guys. I'm so serious. There's an airplane being towed by a minivan on the freeway. This is...
Hell yeah.
Sure here. Oh, yo. He turned. Oh, he turned? I don't think I've ever been on a ferry. Oh, off-roading, huh? Nice.